Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this simple and quick guide, I will show you how to use the Phantom wallet with the Jupiter exchange. Alright, so a quick one, click on your browser option. The browser option is the last one over here. So on the browser option, come to the search bar over here. So you're going to be searching with Google. So what are you going to be searching? You're going to be searching Jupiter. As you can see, you type in Jupiter, then you type in exchange, jupiterexchange.com. Alright, so after typing in jupiterexchange.com, click on the search bar and then the search will start running on your Google. So after that, come and select this one over here, which is the jupiter.swap. So click on that. So after clicking on that, you'll now open up the jupiterexchange.com. As you can see, this is a platform that helps you swap your coins, okay? So what you'll do is simple, connect your wallet, click on connect wallet. So once you click on connect wallet, click on connect Phantom wallet over here, then confirm and connect the wallet. So once you're done connecting the wallet, as you can see, you'll be able to swap any coins on your Phantom wallet using the Jupiter exchange. For instance, if you have USDC and then you have 25 USDC, you want to swap them into Solana, you'll be getting 0.18777 Solana, okay? And that's how simple it is, guys. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Until next time, we shall meet once again.